Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you the last of the Christmas crafts that we've got going on this year, this month. And these ones are all about snowflakes. So without further ado, here we go.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I had a lot of fun with those, but they are so easy to make. You can just make dozens of them and you can just go on forever, because there's so many different patterns and styles you can do with those. And you can take pieces out and put pieces in. It's so easy. So first of all, I'm going to show you the last ones that I made. I think they were the last ones anyway. I can't remember, to be honest. So I'm going to show you these ones. These are what I call the steampunk collection, because if you look at them closely, they've got this kind of, well, steampunk look, and I just absolutely love that. Now, this wasn't originally the intention for these, but I just, when I get filming, I just do it. I don't really think about what I'm doing, I just experiment. So that's why sometimes I even get surprised what I've made myself. So here's this one as well. So that's the goldy one. And then this one here, which is sort of the dark bronze. Now, out of these three, I think the dark bronze is going to be my favourite. So these are all of them together. I don't know, let me know what you think in the comments for these ones. I'm really struggling to hold them all up together, so I'm kind of doing my best. But I just absolutely love the way these look. Now, if you're a gold sort of fan at Christmas, this is the perfect thing for your Christmas tree. So these actually don't have any string on them at the moment, but I'm going to put some ribbon and string on them and make them all pretty and then put them on the Christmas tree. So that is the steampunk ones. So let's move on to these other ones. So there's 4 of these. I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold all these up together, but I'm just going to give it a go. So these are with a certain type of cutter. Now, I didn't do anything to these at all. I just literally decorated them. So I just rolled them and then put some mica powder on them, and that is pretty much it. So I'm going to show you individually with these ones, because these are a little bit different. So that's this one. It's got quite a nice shimmer to it. It's got a nice pattern as well. I really like the pattern on this one. I'm not too sure if you can see that, but hopefully it's in shot. So that one's my favourite. I don't know why, but I do like that one. And then we've got this one here, which is kind of like a greeny effect. I let some of the blue come through on this one because I thought it was really effective. And then of course it has like a gold shimmer to it and also the gold edging. So I really like that one. So then we've got the more pointy ones. Now, I don't know what it is about pointy stars, but I love them. I'm not really too much of a fan when it comes to this sort of rounded shape. So I like this sort of pointed one. Now, in some of my other tutorials, you can actually do this without having this particular cutter. So it's so easy. You just got to find yourself all these different shapes and pop them in where you want to. And then you will get that type of shape. So which one haven't you seen? So this one here is the purple one, and again it does have a gold shimmer as well and a nice pattern to it and a gold edging as well. These ones are such a great project if you want something quick to do, you're bored, you don't know, kind of like you don't have anything in mind particular, but you think, oh, I want to make something but you just don't know what it is. Get yourself out some clay, doesn't matter what it is, any type of clay, and then make yourself some snowflakes. These are such a cool project for Christmas. Now again, with these ones I haven't strung them up yet because I haven't decided on what string I want, and to be honest with you it takes quite a while to string them up because I take a while kind of choosing colours and things like that, and I just wanted to get them done. So this is how you create lots and lots of snowflakes with Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. And you can take piece blah, blah, blah. Now if you're a gold or sort of golden red Christmassy sort blah, blah, blah. Now if you're a gold or red, now I haven't put ribbons on blah, blah, blah. So these ones don't actually have any string on. Oh, I can't even talk. So these ones don't actually have any string on the oh my god, and there's just the